Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be applying a lace wig and I'm going to start off by putting this stocking cap on my head. The wig I'm going to be installing today is from this company called Original Queen. As usual, I'm going to dip in the box and see what I got with my wig. I got this pair of lashes that I really like. This is my second time around getting this same one and I've tried it and I like it. I also got another pair of stocking cap, which is great because I use these things all the time. And at this point, I don't think I'll be running out of stocking cap anytime soon. This is the wig. Oh my god, guys. Check out this color, how vibrant it is. I am super loving it already. Y'all already know I love me some burgundy wig, so this is definitely my taste. As usual, it has 4 clips on the inside that will help to secure it onto your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see what needs to be done before I secure it onto my head. So I noticed that this hair isn't pre-plucked and I'm gonna need to do some plucking, so right away I went and put it on my mannequin head to get that going. First I spray it with some water and the water is gonna help me to control the hair much better. I'm gonna start plucking the hair by taking out a small section in the front, and after I pluck this little section I'm gonna take out another small section. I'm gonna keep doing that until I feel like I've plucked enough. So this is the side I've plucked already, and this is the side I didn't pluck yet, and this is both of them together. And this, of course, is all the hair that I plucked out of the wig. So I know some people have problems with installing their wigs, so I'm going to show you a little trick you could do. You could split the lace just like this to make it so much easier to install. Now with my Got2b glue free spray, I'm going to go ahead and install each section one at a time. As I spray the free spray on, I'm going to dry the lace just a little bit before putting it down on my skin and continue to dry it some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these extra lace off my wig. So after trimming off the lace on my wig, I like to go back around the edges and seal it down some more with my Got To Be glue free spray. Sometimes I like to use the tip of the comb to hold it down while I dry it. I went ahead and did my edges, and now I'm gonna be using my very favorite right here, my holy grail. This is my foam and wrap lotion from BTL, and I'm gonna use it to mold the front of my hair how I want it. Now I'm using my wrapping strip to tie my edges down and keep them in place while I work on the rest of the wig. So today I've decided to go with a center part. I mean, don't I always do? I'm always parting my hair in the middle. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be doing a center part, so that's what I'm working on right now. Now I'm just using the mousse to better lay my hair around my parting. This is gonna flatten the hair and make it look so much more natural. I then went ahead and sprayed some water mixed with leave-in conditioner on it to bring back the curls. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add another one of my beloved product, and this one I really like. It keeps the frizz away and it gives my hair the little kick it needs, and also it keeps it moisturized and hydrated. After the hair got wet, the curls came in so nice. I mean, you could look at the difference. But I feel like it was a little bit too flat for me, so I was using my pick comb to fluff it a little bit. I absolutely love the color of it. I love the length. I love the texture. I love the curl pattern. I really don't know what it is about this wig that I don't like because I love everything about it. And here are the sides. So yeah, it's nice and full, so I feel like it's everything I wanted. I absolutely love the outcome of it. A big shout out to Original Queen for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll leave all the information on the hair down below, so definitely check the description box for that. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down below. I will definitely make sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you find it helpful. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!